Hi there, thanks for watching this episode about styling the list. We're going to change the two list properties that we talked about in the previous episode. We will start by adding some lines to the list with the line property. Then we're going to add margin, or in other words space, to the size of the list with the inset property. We'll start by adding some lines to our list. We'll go to the top of the list. And here in the list element, we're going to set a property called lines, and we're going to say full. And then we're going to load it in. And here we see that all the list items have lines now. The other property that we can set is the inset property, and we set it to true. And if you notice, there's a slightly more margin at the side of the list. I will set it to false, and then you can see the difference. You see? It jumped. Last time you set it to true. And here you have it. Very simple. Two properties added to the list. We're almost at the end of this very small episode. Now we're going to watch what the other values are that you can put into the list. We're going to the browser, and then we go to the list API, and here we will find all the other values. For the inset we only have true or false because it's a Boolean type. Then we have a line property, that's a string, so it can be multiple kind of strings, and in this case it can be the string called full, a string called inset, and a string called none. Then in the end we have mode. We didn't talk about this yet, but you can try to add mode. You can try to add the mode of iOS or the mode of Android, the modular mode. Just practice a little, and then I will see you in the next episode where we're going to talk about adding a class to the list.